Hello friends, welcome to Hello Crafty. Hosting a party and looking for some great decoration ideas without overspending? Turn your home into a party space with my tips for inexpensive party decorations. Friends, if you come across any decoration pic on internet, just ping me on Facebook or Instagram. I'll try to suggest you to complete the decoration in simple and easy way considering your budget. So without further delay, let's get into the video.
You can purchase a stand like this to hang your backdrop. These comes in various sizes and these are adjustable too. Or make use of your curtain rods or purchase a curtain rods like this which are adjustable. I'll provide links for all these in description box below. If you have large curtains like this, use that curtain rod as a backdrop stand. Or use PVC pipe or a wooden stick like this to hang your backdrop. Or hang your backdrop to a string tied to a nails on either side. I have taken cardboard. The measurements for this cardboard is 3 feet width and 4 feet length. I am making marks leaving 5 inches of gap on all the sides of the cardboard. You can have a closer look of what I am doing here. I am done marking the dots on all 4 sides. Now I'll go ahead and draw the lines connecting these dots. I'm gonna cut the cardboard on the marked lines using utility knife or craft knife. Lift the cardboard to an angle and cut in this way or you might damage the surface. Once you are done, we will get a frame like this. Remove that and keep it aside. For this project, I am using 3 frames like this. On one of the frame, I am applying glue in this way. Select an quality glue to make these cardboards be in contact. Apply glue in this form. As you can see, the markings of the cardboard are horizontal and I am trying to apply glue in diagonal. And try to spread the glue in this way. This will help in completing your project with less amount of glue. Also, we need not apply this glue all over the cardboard. Stick the second frame like this. By doing so, we are giving an extra strength or support to the cardboard. Also, there will be less chances of cardboard for bending. And don't worry if our frames are not cut properly. On the other side of the first frame, we will stick the third frame. If you don't have enough cardboards, make use of the center piece. Make 5 inches of strips as our frame border is 5 inches of thickness. And stick those strips on either side of the main frame. An extra tip guys, you can use this frame also to create photo booth frame for your parties. I have showed you how to prepare one frame. You can make any number of frames. Now that our frames are ready, let's work on the flowers. To make flowers, I have taken tissue papers like this. Let's work on one paper. Try to remove all the creases from the paper and then we'll keep on folding the paper until we get our desired size. I will list all the links for the items I have used in the description below. Please check it out. I have folded this paper until I get 3 inches cross 3 inches. I'm gonna mark a circle and cut along this marking. This will be a great project to the kids. Ask them to complete this project for you. Then I'm gonna get a circles like this. I'm gonna take some glue on cardboard like this and we'll start sticking flowers on the frame. Take glue on a flat surface that will make our work easy. Hope you understood how I am sticking. We'll see once again how I am doing here. And stick the next flower where the petal ends. Don't stick flowers too closer or far. You will be mastering as you keep on working on this. While you keep working, if you feel that there is a gap, you can always fill this in this way. If you feel that you have attached the flower on the wrong place, you can always move that while the glue is wet. Give a nice fold to the flowers on the edges and make sure you cover the cardboard. Once we stick flowers all over the frame, we get a frame like this. The width will be 3 feet and the length will be 4 feet. For the backdrop, I have selected cloth like this. This is called sequin cloth. It comes in bundle like this. The width will be 1 meter, that is 60 inches, and length comes in 10 meters or in 12 meters bundle. You can purchase according to your need. I took 5 equal lengths depending upon my measurement and made it stitched as a backdrop. It comes with a loop like this for hanging purpose. If you don't have time or access to stitch, you can hang background using clamps like this. Or if you have a small shelves like this to place sound boxes, you can make use of these too. To hang the frames, on one of the end I have tied it with the string and connected to the hook. You can also tie frames to these hooks to hang the frames.
So this is the final output, guys.
Isn't it looking elegant, friends? And the paper flowers look so real, right? So try this once.
If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more decoration ideas on this channel, please let me know in the comment section below and share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hello Crafty. Thank you.